Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the Photoshop window. That means we will study about the components of Photoshop window. You can see the interface here. So at the top, this is called title bar. It contains the name of the photo. Just below the title bar there is menu bar. It contains the menus like file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, etc. Just below the menu bar there is a option bar control panel. It contains the tool related to the currently selected tool in tool panel. This is your tool panel. It is present at the left side of the window. It is just like artist paint. It contains the variety of tools. This is your working area. Here you can arrange the images, add the effects and edit your image. Now this is your panel. It is present at the right side. It consisting of various panels such as this is your color panel. It provides the various colors that you can add to the foreground and background of your image. Second, swatch panel. It stores most frequently used colors. Third, style panel. It allows you to view, select and apply preset layers to your image. Just below the color panel there is a history panel. You can see here you can access your documents history in the history panel and undo the changes easily. Just below the history panel there is a layer panel. Layers in Photoshop display all the layers in an image. It also shows the various effects applied to the layers. Now this is called marquee tool. This is called move tool. This is called lasso tool. This is called magic wand tool. This is called crop tool. This is called slice tool. You can see a black dot at the right corner of every tool. That means it shows it is a group of various tools. Just right click the mouse button at the right bottom corner of your tool. You will see it will display the hidden tools. This is your heel brush tool. So in this way you can open or select the hidden tools. This is your heel brush tool. This is your brush tool. This is your stamp tool. This is your history brush tool. This is eraser tool. This is paint bucket or gradient tool. This is blur tool. This is dodge tool. This is path selection tool. This is your text tool. This is pen tool. This is rectangle tool. You can draw the shapes. This is your note tool. This is your eyedropper. This is your hand tool. This is your zoom tool. This is used to set the foreground color in an image. This is used to set the background color of your image. Two layers are here. Top layer is foreground color and behind that bottom layer. Now you learn how to insert image in your Photoshop. You click on file, select open option select open option. Here you select any image from the given list. You can select any image and click on open. You see your image has been opened here. Now how to save your document? Click on file, click on save as, rename your file. Now keep your format JPEG. Click on save. In this way you can save your, click on OK. In this way you can save your image. So like and subscribe my YouTube channel.